What's going on, guys? You're checking out Q10 HQ. My name is Chris, and I have a brand new webcam to show you guys today. It is the Razer Kiyo. Super bright, super awesome, and this is Inception. That's you checking me out as I'm checking you out, future you out in the camera, checking out this new camera. Makes sense? Alright guys, let's get and review this bad boy. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. I think it's awesome. If you're a new streamer or a current streamer, you might want to pick this thing up, guys. Alright, let's get into it. Introducing the Razer Kiyo webcam. Now, when I first saw this announced, I was shocked more than anything. How does this not exist already? Why didn't I think of this? I don't know how this wasn't introduced any sooner, especially with how popular streaming is becoming these days. This webcam targets just that, geared entirely towards streaming, and the biggest feature isn't even the camera itself, but the built-in ring light. The camera has a max output of 720p at 60 frames per second, which isn't great, but a high-res image isn't really required here. Keep in mind, majority of the time, a streamer's face cam is a small box somewhere in the corner of the stream, so a 1080p 60 frames isn't even noticed. Now, this camera has all the functions of a basic high-res webcam, it even has a mic, but don't expect immaculate high-res full-screen imagery. And don't worry, we'll compare this Kiyo versus a high-res cam here in a minute, and you could be the judge. First impressions when taking this camera out of the box is wow, this is different looking. Most cameras of ours sleek design, they mostly go unnoticed, but the Kiyo, it's pretty massive when it comes to a webcam. So this will be noticed when sitting on top of a monitor, so keep that in mind. The foot of the camera is fully adjustable with a weighted back, so it will sit on a monitor bezel with ease, and it won't go anywhere. The brightness of the light is manually adjusted, almost like how you would bring a camera lens into frame. It's super simple, clockwise makes it brighter, and counterclockwise dims it. If you don't have that top monitor space to hold this camera, do not worry, it has the option to mount to a tripod, which is absolutely awesome. And of course, this being Razer, the cable is braided, which is great for durability, so you don't have to worry about cable breaks or twists after long-term use. Here you guys can really see the difference in size. On the left we have the popular Logitech C920 webcam, and on the right we have the Razer Kiyo. It actually blocks a bit of my top monitor. Now it's okay for me because I'm going to be mounting this on the top left monitor where I have extra space. Now this may or may not be an issue for you, so take your surroundings into consideration. The setup is super simple. It's just plug and play. Once it's plugged in, there'll be a small white light indicator that it's on, and you can just start adjusting the brightness. Now there's no actual software for this camera, which I find really weird, not even through Razer's Synapse program, which in my opinion is definitely odd. I don't know if they plan on introducing camera controls here in the future, but right now the only way you can adjust some basic camera controls is through whatever streaming software you currently use. Currently, I use OBS, and I just go into camera properties and I make the proper adjustments. It's, all to your own needs here. And yes, you can only control the ring light manually. I don't really see that as a big deal because it's just an arm length away from me, but you might have your camera mounted someplace super difficult or super, hard to reach, and that could be an issue. Okay guys, so here's a little comparison for you. Now right now the ring light is not on, so on the left we have the Kiyo, and ahead of me we have the C920. The C920 is pushing out 1080p at 60 frames, and then I have the 720p 60 frames here in the Kiyo. So the Logitech, this is as good as it's gonna get. I mean, I have no lighting here. If you guys have seen my PC setup video, my whole setup is into a closet. This is where I stream and locally record from. So lighting is everything. When you're a streamer or whatever you're doing, you want lighting. You really can't get enough of lighting, at least in my opinion. So this ring light is really the selling point of this camera, and you'll see the difference now. Now it's not going to be astronomical, but keep in mind it's a pretty dark day outside. I have no lights on behind me, and the Kiyo light is off right now. So I'm going to go ahead and put the Kiyo light on. This isn't even at its full brightness. And you can already see how much better the left camera looks here. The Kiyo looks better. Now let me go ahead and crank it up all the way. This is at its full brightness, and it's ridiculous. It's kind of like shining on me. And you can see, you guys are the judge here. So I have the brightness on. So obviously the C920 was going to look a little bit better now because it's getting the light off of the ring light to the left. So if you guys want to go purchase a, maybe a side light somewhere and post it up and, still use whatever webcam you have, you will get a better image quality. That's, 110% here. But if you want to save space and you don't want to have all these huge lights around, things like that, this is your best bet. I mean, a C920 you can get these days for I think around $80, but there's better ones out now which run for about $130, $140. The Razer Kiyo is $100. It's $99.99. It'll be linked down below in the description as well as the comment section. For $100, I think this is your best bet. I mean, personally, it's just everything you're getting from this camera is perfect, especially if you're trying to stream, guys. If you're looking to stream, this is the camera for you. It's $100. You're saving a ton of money. You're getting the lighting with it as well. And, you know, the full screen quality isn't really going to be there. Let me go ahead and show you the full screen now. So this is a full screen, you know, well, basically almost a full screen of the Logitech C920, and this is the quality you're getting with no lighting around me at all. This is just the lighting that the, you know, C920 is emitting. You're basically getting the monitor lighting from me. That's what's actually illuminating my face. I have nothing else on right now, and this is the quality of the C920. So let's go ahead and move over to the Kiyo. Okay, guys, so I went ahead and I put the Kiyo, but basically full screen right now. There's no light on the Kiyo right now. It's just from the monitors itself, and you can see the back is a little grainy. There's really nothing, you can see almost like a grainy source. There's really no fine detail. I mean, the light is on my body, so that is what's not so grainy. Let's go ahead and throw the, you know, the ring light on. You guys can see, you know, how it looks. Here, let's go ahead to about medium brightness. And the grain is, you know, still kind of there when it's full screen. It's not terrible though. It's not that bad. I mean, if you want to use it as a full screen webcam, you easily could. It's really not that terrible. Let's get to put the brightness up a little bit more. This is max brightness. Not much of a difference, but a little bit of grain. Nothing crazy. It's not drastic. This is my best bet. I would pick up this camera, guys. It's $100. If you're looking to stream, looking to record, whatever you guys are trying to do, this is it, man. This is the best bet. But I want to hear what your opinion is down below. Which camera do you guys like better? Do you guys think this is worth the $100? Let me know, guys. This is the type of stuff I want to know, you know? Let's go ahead and bring it back down to a smaller aspect when you would be streaming. Super bright. Whoa. Gotta lower the brightness just a bit. Bam. That looks good. I think it looks good anyway. But let me know, guys, down below. If you guys are new here to the channel, be sure to subscribe, share the video with your friends. If you guys want to follow me, check me out on twitch.tv/QGenHQ. We do some, you know, some gameplay, some Overwatch, things like that. Just want to come by and hang out. No set schedule as of yet, but I'll start streaming more if you guys actually start showing up and hanging out and you want to see more of that type of stuff. Best way to contact me, obviously the YouTube comments as well as Twitter. Twitter's more direct. I kind of see that faster. There's a lot of different comments that come through YouTube, and YouTube doesn't really send you. It goes through emails. It's a little bit slower. But yeah, guys, let me know what you guys think. If you want to purchase the camera, like I said, it's linked down below. Hope you guys liked the video. If you did, give it a huge thumbs up. Like I said, if you're new here, subscribe. We grow the community together with you guys. I'm done talking for the day. I'm gonna go do something else. All right, guys, love you all, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace out.